Hi guys, and welcome to Auto Guidance. Today I'm going to show you how to switch gears in a BMW 530D from 2013. This particular model has the sports gearbox, which means that the shifter is a little bit different and the gearbox changes gears a little bit better and quicker. So let's go ahead. To switch the gears, you have to press on the button here, which means unlock, and then you just have to hold it and put it down. Then it goes into D and you're ready to roll. If you want it to go to sport or manual, you just have to do like this, press the button and put it in. Then you're ready to roll. Then you can put it back again. If you want to go to neutral one time, if you want to go to reverse, you just do it one time more. Thank you for watching, everyone. Stay tuned.